Welcome back to learning Muay Thai with Kru Hemanth Kumar, a 3-time World Championship bronze winner, with over 30 years of training experience. In case you missed the previous video on knee strikes, we'd recommend watching that first, as it sets the stage for this session.
Hi, I'm Kru Hemanth Kumar from Masters Muay Thai Academy, and I have with me my student Ganesh to continue with the lessons learning about the Muay Thai knee strikes. Thank you. In the previous session, you had learned about 4 different knee strikes, and I presume you took some time in training and practicing that. Now we go for the 5th knee strike. Ready, Ganesh? We again will do this from the square stance, right? We'll see how again to form the knee, just to remind you in case you have forgotten. From the square stance, relax, ready? Take a deep breath out, right? The first formation would be to come into your one leg hold. This is the first level. The second level would be to point the foot to the ground. Third, to combine your upper limb and your lower limb. All right? This will be how you're going to do the formation. Thank you, Ganesh. Good. Now, in the Muay Thai fight, you would see the clinch. Clinch is what gives a leverage for a powerful knee strike. So let's see how to do a basic level clinch. Ganesh, please turn this side. Right? From the square stance. Ready? Come into the clinch position. For forming the clinch, your stronger hand would be on the inside, your supporting hand on the outside. Your thumb should not be in the out, rather supporting the other 4 fingers. This forms the clinch position. So where does this position come under? If I'm in front of Ganesh now, the clinch would be behind the neck. This would be the position for the clinch. Alright? So from this position, you drag the person to side, 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 side. So along with this clinch we do, we go for the knee in. Along the clinch we do, go for the knee in. Along the clinch we do, up, 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 oh, hey. That's why we have to use the clinch while before we do the knee strike. Good. Having said this, now if you have gotten to a clinch position, assuming I'm already clinched and he's been clinched now, how would he escape? This is where your next learning comes in. The side knee. Ready, Ganesh? Come to the position now. Now you can see now, Ganesh is having been clinched, but he is holding support of one arm and the other arm is locking the neck. Why is he doing this? He's going to go into the side knee now. Let's see that. Oh, hey. So what happens here is, he's trying to create distance and is stopping me from using my knee. Like I said earlier, you would clinch and go for the knee attack. So when he got clinched, he knew the knee is going to strike. So he very cleverly locked one hand, locked the neck, and he put a distance by using the side knee. So this side knee is now helping him maintain distance. So the striker cannot use the knee. Now they have to break the hold to go further with the continuing the fight. So this is how you would use the side knee. Thank you. I hope you understood this. Good. The next weapon would be the half knee, half shin. So I'll just show you the part of the limb when I say half knee, half shin. Please come this side. Raise the position. When you say half knee, half shin, this is the area, the knee, and here, let's say this much of your shin becomes the weapon. You only use this area for this particular knee strike. Half knee, half shin. Now using this weapon, let's see how we can go for the strike. The basic remain the same. Ready, Ganesh? 1. There we go. You can see the striking was half knee, half shin. Let's go back again. Very easy. Go slowly. Ready? 1. Oh, hey. Go back again. 1. Oh, hey. So you again are striking the midsection with shin, which you know is already denser, and knee even more denser than the shin. And the impact they both can create with this combination can be more deadly. Ready? Ready? 1. Up. Good. 2. Up. Good. You have to be on the ball of the foot. I was just about to see if Ganesh missed it out, but he was good maintaining his structure, the ball of the foot. Thank you, Ganesh. Very good. 1. Up. Away. Good. 2. Up. Away. 3. Up. Away. 4. Up. Away. Reminding you the basic rule. One hand on guard, one hand kick back while the knee strike is completed. Thank you. So this, you have now learned the second knee strike, half knee, half shin. The third would be the slap knee. Good. When I say slap knee, I would be using the inner part of the knee. I would use the inner part of the knee, and this would go on the kidney point. So assuming I'm in a clinch right now with Ganesh, I would go sliding this way. See the movement? That. So I'm using the inner part of the knee. I'm using the inner part of the knee to strike on the kidney point. Let's go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. In this, the basic would be to have there certain gap between the upper limb and the lower limb, and the feet now will be parallel to ground. Only for this knee strike, feet is parallel to ground. Other knee strikes, feet is pointed towards the ground. Ready? Let's go one more time. Position now. Ready? Up, away. Up, away. Up, away. Up, away. Up, away. Up, away. That's how we go for the slap knee. Good. Now the most powerful and a knee that can cover a certain amount of distance before it reaches the target, flying knee. You would have seen that in many of the fight videos. But how to do it? You just can't see and do a flying knee. There's a certain process to follow before you can complete the flying knee. Let's see how to do that. Okay, Ganesh, take a deep breath out. From the square stance, we'll first learn a little bit how to switch. I want you in here. Ready? Show them how to switch now. 1, 2, 3, 4. You need to first learn this. 5. Super. The next step, we call this as spring up, where you uplift your body at least a feet away from the ground. Ready, Ganesh? Breathe out. 1. Please watch that carefully. 2. You can see both the knees going higher, and the distance between the ground and Ganesh is like more than a feet away. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Having done this now, third step, you would spring up and turn. Let's do Ganesh. 1. That's way. 2. Go a bit slowly. 3. Very good. 4. 5. If you can master these 3 steps, you are halfway through in learning your flying knee strike. Let's see the fourth one, the final step, how to complete the flying knee. Ganesh, you ready? Ready. Now you go for the flying knee, right? I give you the target. Ready, Ganesh? Take a deep breath out. Ready? Let's do it. 1. Oh, hey. You just saw that now. Look at the distance it covers. Let's say more than a feet. 2. Oh, hey. Very beautiful. 3. Oh, hey. Wonderful. So you could see the end result if you could practice the first 3 steps. That will make you good enough to complete a flying knee. The targets you can hit with the flying knee would be the face, would be a solar plexus, it could be even the shoulder level or even the abdomen level. Depends on your athletic condition, how much you can lift your body up away from the ground. Alright, so today's episode we have learned about the side knee, which you can use during if you're clinched. Second, you have learned about the half knee, half shin, it's a strike again. Third, you learned about the slap knee in a close counter clinch again. The fourth one and the most beautiful knee, the flying knee, which you just now witnessed. I hope this learning was good for you about the basic variations of the Muay Thai knee. And I kindly request you to please like and share all the videos. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Good luck and see you in the following episodes. Thank you.